So yeah, RS-1 stretcher and the RS-1 swag. So we'll take a quick look, see how long it takes to set up. This is my second review of this. Alright, hope you can see me properly, ducking down here. So quickly just set up the bed. Just want to show you how quick and easy this is to set up. It's pretty fantastic. Easy. And here's the last one. Same deal. Slide it through here. And this one's a little bit harder to put on, purely because it stretches. There we go. Come around the side here. So there's also a short side and a long side on this pole as well. So this hole is closer to the end of the pole, if you can see from there. This one here's got a little bit more room to give you a bit of leverage. Just like that. Nice and tight. It's beautiful. Right, now I've got to secure these legs in place. So you can see here. Hopefully you can see this because I can't see what's on the camera. There we go. And just tighten it down. That's it. And just repeat for all four corners. Then your bed's set. Alright. Got a swag. So to have a good look. So this swag comes with a real quality bag. All the stitching and everything after 6 months of pretty much non-stop use is still intact and it's still pretty clean. We'll have a quick look at the contents. So here's the swag. There's a mattress right there as well. It's only very thin, not very comfortable, but sets you by for a night if you need it. Pull this out. The only issue I've had, the only thing that's broken on this is one of the plastic clips. I don't know if you can see it from here, but not a big deal. It still holds together, holds the mattress in place. I'll just drag this over here for now. I'll show you how quick and easy this is to set up. Push up against the edge. It's got an A and B side, which I'll show you in a second. So you just unfold like so. Stand it up. And you can reach inside. And the pole you clip up in place. There we go, that's that done. Very simple, very effective, does the job. And there we go guys, I'll just leave that to unroll and unravel. So my overall impressions of this are I really like it. I think it's fantastic. These ropes here glow in the dark when you hit them with a torch. These little bits here, they reflect the light, and they're also permanently attached to your swag. So You've got numerous tie down points, which is really good. Another good feature about the RS-1 is this reflective top. So if you're camped out in the middle of the bush with just your swag, you can use this over the back like that, and there's a couple of poles that come with it. You can hook through the little eyelets, and you can either have it like that so it keeps a bit of airflow going underneath, and the reflective surface keeps the sun off the top, or vice versa. You can swing it over the top here out the front, and you can have like a little awning, and the tent poles go up about as high as the annex here, so they go up fairly high. So if you're a tall fella like me, you don't have to duck down as much. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out. The overall comfort of this swag, guys, this is the way I set it up now with the inflatable mattress and the bed. I think it's more comfortable than my actual bed have at home. I've done the trip for about 6 weeks, 7 weeks, you know, nothing but camping in the swag, and it's been bloody fantastic. I've had a good night's sleep just about every night. The moisture's not too bad with this. A couple of nights I've had a bit of condensation sort of build up underneath, and that's because it's been raining and I've been up in the Kimberley. Guys, you know what it's like up there. For those of you that have been, it can get quite humid even in the dry season. Yeah, but only a couple of times I've had, you know, problems with moisture. Otherwise you get very good ventilation when you have this open, and you have the back vents open as well, so you get a lot of cross breeze, which is really good, because I like it. That's how I like it. The only downside with these is the fact that you can't unzip the mesh from the inside, so you can get to your little window flaps. And another little issue that I have being so tall as well is that sometimes during the night my feet kick the bar and the swag collapses down on top of me. So I've had that once or twice. So there's no real way of being able to lock that in. So hopefully in the next version of this, they'll have like maybe a little clamp or something that they can use to lock it in, so that you don't have to, you know, wake up in the middle of the night and try and flick it back up with your foot. So have a look down here, guys. This is really good quality. I'm not sure what you call it, plastic, I guess. Have a look down there. So like I said, I've had this on the ground, had it on this ground, exactly on the limestone, and no issues. Hasn't ripped, hasn't torn or anything like that. There's no holes in it. I found it very sturdy. A couple of times I've sort of lean against the framing of the tent, and it's fairly sturdy. Well, another issue that I have with this is packing it away in the back of the ute. So if you have like a normal dual cab like mine, it doesn't quite fit. So it's probably that much too long to go straight down the back of the tray. But again, that's not really an issue. If you pack it properly, you put it in on like a slight little angle, it fits, and you can close the tailgate and have your cover over the top. So yeah, so it's not too bad. It's made from good quality ripstop material. Again, no issues with it. Got no holes after 6 to 8 months of hardcore use. Very strong, hasn't stretched out of shape, hasn't gone, you know, hasn't gone mouldy or anything like that. One little thing that I do have down here is a little zipper. If you have a look there, if you want to have like a little battery pack or whatever down the bottom there, and you still want to charge your phone, there's a little access point there for your batteries. The zipper, I've had no issues with the zipper. Doesn't look very heavy duty, but you know, it works just fine. Has done for, you know, months on end now. Well, there's another little issue that I have with it, the price. So the price is about $600 for this, just this swag, nothing else, no mattress, no bed. So you can get these on special. I think Anaconda, you do them for about 460 bucks sometimes when they're on special. 460 bucks, I think they're worth the money. They're only just a little bit more expensive than other swags, but you know, you have the added advantage of there's no tent poles to put it all together and keep it off your body. It's all built in, and it literally takes about 30 seconds to pop up. But yeah, so you know, when they retail around 600 bucks, I think, you know, maybe not quite worth that much money, but around 450, definitely a good buy. Especially if you're like me and you use it a lot, comes in very handy. So Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you got something good out of this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.